Hello friends, my name is Professor M.S. Rao. I have authored 53 books, including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which the Nobel laureate, His Holiness Dalai Lama has written a foreword. I have 43 years of diversified experience, including Indian Air Force, business, teaching and training. In this short video, I talk about emotions, storytelling and technology. Technology is changing so rapidly that we have to catch with the technology, and unfortunately I'm very slow to adapt because of the age factor. But young people are very smart, and they are acquainted with the technology, and they get acquainted and keep moving very fast. So I have to catch up. There are two things I emphasize. One is emotions and storytelling. And one of the books I mentioned is about secrets to successful public speaking. And usually I wrote 53 books. One of the books is about storytelling. And storytelling is an art and craft. And everyone enjoys storytelling. And stories help connect with people. And yeah, right from my childhood, I am passionate about storytelling. I am a very good storyteller. Of course, I had a brain stroke, and I had health issues, so I am not able to communicate, and I am not able to articulate effectively. But content is king, and I keep sharing my knowledge. So you can leverage AI, artificial intelligence, because AI is very much required, and it helps in storytelling. So collaborate with AI with storytelling. So blend emotions and storytelling to make a difference. And remember, each frame matters, and frame leads to uh, particular scenes, a group of scenes, and it leads to episodes, then it leads to seasons. It all depends upon how you make, whether you are making episode or whether you are making a film, whatever it is. And as I said, I am a survivor of brain stroke in the year of 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology. The message is very simple and straight. You have to reinvent and leverage artificial intelligence, and above all, technology can't replace human creativity. And thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel.